It's the bluest of oceans in the navy of night.
Makdo, my love. My God's will ng buhay ko. Happy 66th anniversary. 67 pala, sorry. Sorry. Tandaan mo na nandito lang ako kapag kailangan mo ako. Thank you sa Lord kasi hanggang ngayon, kasama pa din kita. Dami na natin pinagdaanan, pinag-awayan, pinagtalunan. Hindi madali pero salamat kasi hindi ka sumuko sa akin. You are my number one fan, my cheerer, supporter kapag naglalaro ako ng basketball. Sabi nila, malas ka daw kasi lagi kami natatalo kapag nanonood ka. Pero sabi ko naman, hindi ka malas. Hindi ka rin swerte. Sobrang blessed at saya ko nung dumating ka sa buhay ko. Thank you sa walang sawang pagmamahal sa akin. I will always love you, John Marie. You are my last and my forever. I love you.
Though the seasons will change, oh, my love is just beginning. Oh, oh, never let you go, never let you go. I will never let you go. Forever and ever, I will never, never let you go, never let you go. I will never let you go. Forever and ever, I will never, never let you go, never let you go. I will never let you go. Forever and ever, I will never, never let you go, never let you go. I will never let you go. Forever and ever, I will never, never let you go, never let you go. I will never let you go. Forever and ever, I will never, never let you go, never let you go. I will never let you go. Forever and ever, I will never, never let you go, never let you go, never let you go, never let you go.
Pag sinabi pong fellowship, it is a covenant. Fellowship is a covenant. It is not just the giving of an idea, it is the giving of the heart. pagka mayroong fellowship, pag mayroong covenant, ang ibinibigay mo ay puso. Hindi lang yung isip. Hindi lamang yung katawan, kung hindi kasama ang puso. Because when the heart is joined, as in marriage, as in fellowship, you become one. It is the hearts that become one.
Makdo, my love. Nung bata ako, sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto ko yung unang boyfriend ko, yun na yung mapapangasawa ko. Minsan nga, tinatanong mo ako, ano ba nagustuhan ko sa'yo? Madalas hindi kita sinasagot sa tanong mo. Pero ngayon, gusto ko malaman mo na I love everything about you. Today, as the Lord unite us, I promise to be one with you in every decision that we will have to make, in every blessing, and in every trial. I'm very excited of spending my life with you. Sa wakas, malaya na tayong umalis at pumunta sa iba't ibang lugar na tayo lang dalawa. I love you so much, Makdo. I can't wait to be Mrs. Donald Bejado and to spend my new chapter with you.
A moment of love, a dream, a laugh, a kiss, a cry, our rights, our wrongs. A moment of love, a dream, a laugh, a moment of love, a dream, a laugh. Just stay there. I'll be coming over. While I'm still young, so down we rise. Won't stop till it's over. Won't stop to surrender.
Hallelujah! Congratulations!